So, a few weeks ago, I was driving into Hastings Rock and Roll car park, and we just stopped. And literally 10 seconds after, a large crab claw, fell from the sky, which is obviously being played with by seagulls, and did a nice sort of quadruple dent into my bonnet. So I had a quick look on the internet and found Fixadent, which was not too far away from me, and gave a really nice guy called Ryan a phone call and booked in the dent repair. I tried taking photos of the dents, but I ended up having to try and explain what they look like because the car is so reflective and so white that it's actually really difficult to show a dent up, even with coverage and shade and things like that. So, anyway, Ryan turned up this morning, Monday, and typically, as you can see, the dent is right underneath where the bonnet brace is, so it was very difficult to get to, and actually having the crab claw hit the bonnet, it actually bounced into the actual bonnet skin itself, bounced into the bonnet brace, and sort of gave itself even more of a crease than it would do if it had hit a bit where the holes are. So that was a bit annoying, but anyway, he did really well. He actually got probably 99.5% of the dent out, and actually the only thing you can really see is the two tiny little scratches that the actual crab claw left through the paint. But I've actually got a they call it a ceramic, but it's more quartz based hard coating that actually, instead of having polish on the paint, you have like a sealant, and I think that's actually really helped the paint, give it a bit of protection, so it didn't actually do too much damage to the actual car's paint and skin surface. So anyway, it's done. So really happy. Took the car for a quick wash because it's absolutely filthy anyway. But as you can see there, it's looking grey and it's actually bright white. But that was down to the snow clouds. But there it is, nice and white again. And as you can see in this last clip, the paint and the reflections and everything, it's hardly noticeable at all. I struggle to even find it myself. I'm the person who knows where it is. So he's done a really good job there. Really happy. Not bad for a almost 8-year-old car that I'm trying to keep nice. So anyway, guys, if you need it done, give him a shout. He's really good. So anyway, cheers, guys. Please subscribe and chat soon.